Hey guys, welcome back. This is Colton Fair Scare Beauty, back again. Before we get started, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, and Twitch, Fair Scare Beauty, same way it's spelled here. Subscribe, like the video, and comment. It'd mean a lot. But my lighting off, doesn't matter. Quick video today. This is going to be the posthumous review of the Daytime Realness palette. So, I have thoughts. So, Little Miss Daytime Realness, wow, I said Little Miss Daytime Realness retails for $24 USD, and including shipping, I paid $30? Yeah. So, not cheap, not exactly expensive, and I'm actually going to do another series coming up soon that's comparing mini palettes in the same price range, because I recently got the Makeup by Mario Rosy Quad and the Natasha Denona Mini Star, and this. They're all $24 to $25, and then the BH Cosmetics one. That's neither here nor there. Anyways, $24, you get 8. It's very messy. You get 8 shades, 4 mattes, 3 shimmer. Jesus Christ. 4 mattes, 3 shimmers. Top row is Zenith, Weather Girl, Daily Double, and Televangelista. Bottom row is Channel Surfer, Static, Cut the Cameras, and Soap Star. Now, here, to get into this, I really love Trixie, I really do. I've never purchased anything from Trixie Cosmetics before because I don't really care about blush palettes in that type of regard, lipsticks, or glitter. Sorry, babe. So this is the one purchase I've made from her. And I will not rebuy it. And I would not rebuy it, because I don't really like it that much, actually. Which sucks. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I really love blue eyeshadow, because I am a housewife in the 60s, apparently, as we rock in this blue and black monstrosity. I had to redo this eye look twice. Now, maybe I'm just trash at makeup. Probably. No, we're not going there. You know what? No, I'm gonna take that back. I'm not. I'm pretty good at makeup. Toot my own horn. Fuck you. This does not work. My favorite shadows out of the entire palette are Static and Televangelista, both of which are almost dupes for a Buxom palette that I made. One of the, you pick your own shadows. Granted, the Buxom palette was not a better value than this at all. Performs at about the same level, which is disappointing. Once again, Televangelista, Static, those are the 2 best shadows, shades, shimmers, whatever, in this palette. Soap Star is a really lackluster shimmer. These do hard pan, by the way, pretty badly, so watch out for that. But the shimmers are the real redeeming thing about this palette. Channel Surfer, really weird. So what I'm wearing on my eye is Channel Surfer blended out with a little bit of Weather Girl, and then cut the cameras in the crease, and then of course I've got Televangelista and Static on the actual shimmery part of the eye. Right? Okay, makes sense? Anyways, you really have to build up these shadows, and just for whatever reason, there comes a point where they just stop building. They just will not build any further, no more pigment will stick, and you can blend it out, kind of. They don't blend that well, either. They don't build that well, they don't blend that well, and they're not really all that pigmented to begin with. I don't even know what Zenith's purpose is. Like, when you swatch them, they swatch decently. Like, that's, you know, okay, that's a gray, whatever. It does nothing. I've tried, you know, building it up and then whatever, and then using that, and like, because Daily Double is this weird like purple blue, but that also isn't pigmented and doesn't build up. It's really hard to use. God, cut the cameras is terrible. So why I had to redo this is because I first started by cut the cameras down, and then I was trying to blend it out with Channel Surfer. Can't do that. You can't do that. Cut the cameras either blends away completely, or doesn't blend at all, or just you remove it with the other shade. Or what happened the second time I was redoing this look, when I did, you know, Channel Surfer, blended out with Other Girl, and then tried to cut the cameras in, cut the cameras would not stick. Would not stick. I primed my eyes and everything, it would not stick. So I wiped everything off, and I re-primed, and I made sure that I put Channel Surfer far away from where I was going to cut the camera, and then I did cut the camera, and it stuck better, still didn't stick great, and it wouldn't blend over where I put Channel Surfer, so I had to like take a brush and dip it like half in Channel Surfer, half in cut the camera, and like blot it over the edge. That's not a good thing. That's not a good sign. That's bad. That is actually bad. So cut the cameras is the only real shade that you can deepen anything with, and it's functionally non-usable. Zenith is impactless. It doesn't appear on the eye, and then it just gets blended away by whatever you put on top of it. Weather Girl looks nice when you can build it up to appear, but you cannot blend anything else out on top of it. You can use it to blend out Channel Surfer. You can't use it to blend out Daily Double. Daily Double is the kiss of death for this palette. It like, oh my god, it's not... Okay, hold on. I just... See how sheer that is? That was just a little like... here's Channel Surfer. Compared to Channel Surfer, it is so sheer, and Channel Surfer is not that opaque. So, I don't know. Honestly, if Trixie released a Televangelista and Static and singles, I'd be all over that. Oh yeah, once again, Soapstar is just a lackluster shimmer. There's nothing special about it, it's just a blue shimmer. Like, okay, so the Trixie stan in me is like, oh my god, no, if you like Trixie, go out and buy it. First of all, as I've been talking for 11 minutes already, the packaging is very cute. The packaging borderline sold me. I love the VHS aesthetic, the cyan, magenta, I'm super into like the synth wave, new synth, all that shit going down right now. I do really, god, it's so messy. It's very messy. I really love the color story. Like, everything about this palette, I love. In theory. Hey, you know, maybe it works better for you. More power to you. Yeah, I do need to... I'll fix my lighting in the next video. I don't care, I'm just doing a review. If this works for you, that's fantastic. Don't let me, if you're already using the palette and you love it, don't let me influence you. If you're looking to buy the palette, I wouldn't. Oh god, I'm so sorry. I really like you, Trixie, but what the f*** is this? Oh, you cannot use it with any other palettes either. Oh my god, I have tried so many other... The only other shade that I have managed to get this to work well with is the deep purple in one of the Juvia's Place palettes, and then like a white to blend out like the edge to make it a more baby blue. And that's it. No cool tone browns, no blacks do not blend into this well at all. Like just a straight black, don't know what it is, do not know what it is. Obviously, like, shimmers are gonna work with this, because, you know, throw a shimmer on. I'm talking about, like, matte shadows for blending. This does not play well with anything that I have tried. I've tried so many. I've used this at least once a day since I got it, just to play around with it. And now here's the thing, I have come, like here, I'd say this is a successful eye look, right? I've done some looks on streams with it that I would think are successful eye looks. You cannot use more than 1 to 2 shades at a time plus a shimmer. Otherwise, it's just a muddy mess. If you try to blend Daily Double, like, say you already have Channel Surfer down, and you try to blend Daily Double into the crease, it just, the tones are so similar that when you blend it, it gets so muddy looking so fast. Do I have anything positive to say? Oh, the shimmers are nice. Wow, okay. I'm just gonna run it back real quick. Packaging is adorable. I love Trixie, it's just fantastic. I'm sorry that this product kind of blows hard. Not in a fun way either, like caught in a snowblower. Packaging is adorable. Color story is great. 2 out of the 3 shimmers are outstanding and I'll continue to use them, and if she releases a single, then I'll buy those singles. One of the mattes is okay. 3 of the mattes are aggressively bad, and that's Cut the Camera, Zenith, and Daily Double. And then Weather Girl is just like, it's your friend paying rent, it's your roommate paying rent like a week late. Like, you still get the money, but like, why did it take that long, you know? Wow, anyways, packaging is like an 8 out of 10 for me, color story is like a 7 out of 10 for me, performance is like a 3 out of 10. So by law of average, that says it's like a 6 out of 10. I'd give it like a 4 out of 10? I'll give it a 5 because I like you, Trixie. It's not good. It's not good. I'm not gonna rebuy it when I eventually work through it. It's... yeah, anyways. Sorry, doll. So, that's gonna resolve this review. Once again, follow me on, well, subscribe, then follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch. There's Scare Beauty, same way it's spelled here. I'll upload every Wednesday, Thursday-ish. And like the video, leave a comment down below. Tell me how fucking wrong I am about this. Fight me in the comments, bro. Yeah. I feel like I should have more to say about this, but I really don't, other than it's below average and kind of mediocre. I've enjoyed the looks I've been able to get out of it, though. Anyways, my little ScareCubs, I love you so much, and I hope you guys have a good day, week, month, or year. Bye!